Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch my video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a Christmas outro. I hope you like the way yours comes out and I hope you find this easy to follow along. Now let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is a picture or two pictures, and we're gonna have to erase the background of that picture. So if you know how to erase the background of the pictures, then you can just skip this part and move on. But if it's your first time hearing this, then stay because I'm going to show you how to do that. So to erase the background of your pictures, there's two apps that you can use. You can either use PicsArt or you can either use Bazzart. So I'm going to show you guys with PicsArt first. You're going to click on this plus sign and then you're going to click on all photos. Choose the picture that you want to erase the background from. Now you're going to scroll and you're going to click on cut out. Then you're going to click on person. So PicsArt will highlight the person in the picture. Now, if you need to restore something that PicsArt erased, you just click on restore and then you restore that thing. Now we're going to go to Bazzart. You click on the plus sign, start with a photo. Get the picture that you need to erase the background from. Now you're gonna scroll and then you're going to click on scissors. You're gonna outline the person in the picture. And then you're going to click on the tick above. Now you're gonna click on eraser. Either erase or you can either restore what you need, okay? And then you click on this tick sign. Now, before you save the pictures from Bazzart, make sure you take them to the side and you click on the arrow and then save it. The reason why I want you to take the picture to the side is because there's always a watermark in these pictures that you save from Bazzart. So when you take the picture to the side, the watermark is not in the way of your picture, okay? Now, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go back to PicsArt and you're going to go back to the home page. Now, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on this first photo here and you're going to click on next and you're going to save this to your camera roll. Okay? So the picture I use for this Christmas outro tutorial is not something that specifically typed in. I just literally went onto Pinterest one day and I saw it on my homepage here and I decided to save this. So if you want to use this picture, I'm going to leave the link down below in my description box. So when you click on that link, it's going to take you to Pinterest website. So you're going to click on the three dots and then you can download the image over there. And if you don't like the background that I'm using for this Christmas outro, you can literally find another Christmas background that you want to use, okay? Now, once you finish doing that, you're going to go to Phonto. You're going to click on the camera, plain image. You're going to click on this white background. And you're going to click on the number above. Then you're going to click on custom. Now you're going to type in 1280 for the width and 720 for the height. Then you're going to click on this arrow and then use. Next, you're going to click on the three lines here, add image. Then you're going to get the background that you saved, either from Pinterest or either the one that you chose. Then you're going to make this background big. And you're going to click on tilt afterwards. And you're going to take this to 90. Make sure the Christmas background covers the white background that is behind it, okay? Then you're going to click on arrow, then save image. So now you're going to go to my description box below and then you're going to click on the link where I typed in Christmas Wish monoline. That link is going to take you to the font website where you're going to have to download this font, okay? After that, click on the link that I also pasted on my description box below and then click on Bubble Shine link and it's also going to take you to the font website where you can download that font, okay? Once you download the fonts, you're going to come to Phonto again and then you're going to click on the camera and you're going to upload the transparent picture that you saved from PicsArt before. So the transparent picture from PicsArt looks like a white background, so bear that in mind. So try to find that transparent picture, and then once you do that, you're gonna type in your YouTube channel name. Now you're going to click on style. Then for the text, I chose this red color here. Then for the stroke, I chose the white color. And then for the background, I clicked on style. Then I scrolled and then I clicked on the green color. And then I saved this as PNG. Now, once you do that, you're going to click on font. Then you're gonna scroll and you're gonna click on bubble shine. Then you're gonna type in thanks for watching. You can either type this in capital letters or in small letters, and you're gonna choose exactly the same color that you chose for your YouTube channel name, or you can choose different colors if you want to. Now we're going to go to Bazzart. You're going to upload the picture that you erased the background from. Then you're gonna click on outline. Then after that, you're gonna click on shadow. Then after that, you're going to click on blur and you're gonna blur this shadow. And after that, you're gonna save this. Now we're going to go to the app called CapCut. You're gonna click on new project. You're gonna go to photos and you're going to upload the background picture that you saved before, either from Pinterest or the one that you chose. Then you're gonna click on this slide like that. And you're gonna increase this slide to about 4 or 5 seconds. So just drag it, okay? I'm gonna show you guys one thing real quick. So come off this and then click on this settings icon that's at the top there. Then you see where it says add default ending. You're going to click that and you're gonna click on discard. So this is gonna remove the watermark video automatically. So after you do that, go back to this place, okay? Now we're going to click on overlay and you're going to upload your picture that you saved from Bazzart. And you're gonna take it to the middle. Open it so it's big enough. And make sure you also make it 5 seconds long. Next, you're going to click on add overlay again, and you're going to upload your YouTube channel name that you saved from Phonto before. And you're just going to take this to the middle also. Now you're going to click on effects. You're going to scroll and you're going to click on mode. And now you have to find Christmas star. Make this long also. Then you're going to click on video effects again. You're going to go to mood. And then you're going to find snowflakes. And then now you can save this, okay? So now we're going to proceed onto the second part. So the first thing you're going to have to do for the second part, you're going to go to PicsArt. If it takes you to this page, stay here. And if it doesn't, you know how to get this transparent picture. Then once you get a transparent picture, click on sticker. Then type in Christmas tree. Then choose the Christmas tree that you like the most. The one I chose is this one right here. Okay, so you're going to click it. Then you're going to click on apply. And you can click on this arrow or you can click on next. Once you finish doing that, we're going to go back to CapCut. You're going to click on new project, go to photos, get your Pinterest background, open this slide to about 4 to 5 seconds, then click on overlay, and then you're going to upload your Christmas tree picture. And you're going to open it and you're going to take it to the side right here. And now make sure you remember to make the slide 5 seconds long also, or 4 seconds long. Now you're going to click on add overlay again. Then you're going to get your picture that you saved from Bazzart before. And you're going to put it on top of the Christmas tree like this. Next, you're going to click on add overlay again. Then you're going to get your thanks for watching picture that you saved from Phonto before. And then you're just going to place that one here. So now I'm going to be adding the video template and the subscribe profile template. You guys don't have to do this because it's an outro, so you guys will add your own video there. But I just decided to put this so it's not empty. Now the last thing you're going to do for the last part, you're going to click on effects. You're going to go to basic. Then you're going to click on slanted blur. Then you're going to click on adjust. And you're going to decrease this to 25. Make sure you make it as long as your slide. Then you're going to click on video effects again. Then now you're going to go to mood. And you're going to click on Christmas star. Then the last effects you're going to add is snowflakes. So you're going to go to mood and you're going to find snowflakes. Now you're going to save this to your camera roll. Once these videos are saved, you're going to go to new projects and you're going to get them. So now you're going to click on this line that's in between the two videos. This is where you're going to choose your transition. You're going to click on MG and you're going to scroll till the end and you're going to click on cartoon swell. And you're going to make this 0.8 seconds long. And now you're going to save this. So now I'm going to show you guys how everything ended up looking like. So I hope you like the way this outro ended up looking like. Thank you so much if you made it up until the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. God bless you all and see you in my next video. Bye.